Yeah guys, today I'm going to show you this PROSmart light bar for computer monitors, laptops. Can be used for gaming, normal working, reading, whatsoever. Super flexible. It's powered by USB, very convenient. We have a high color rendering index of 95. Adjustable brightness, adjustable color temperature. Yeah, so we have actually everything what we want. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you what to get, install it on my computer, and then let's see how it really works. By the way, I got it for free from the seller to show you all the details and the high quality, but it's still my honest opinion because I would never claim something which is not true. And so here we have it with the accessories, which means power cable. And so there's nothing else because it's already pre-assembled. If you think it's too large because it fits also for larger monitors, that it's too large actually for small laptops, I can show you that it still works. And so I plug in this end here to the USB port of my laptop, and then the other end we connect here on top. And so as soon as we have power on this laptop, we have also power on the light. So we can just push from the outside, either on this side or also on the other side. Super convenient. Yeah, turn down the light a little bit so you can see the light better. So you can see from underneath, it's really strong. But we have this really nice lamp shade, so we can use it as indirect lighting. For example, here also on this laptop, so I put it here so you can see that it really works also here and not blocking the monitor. And so here we can see how flexible this is, how wide we can make this opening, but we can also make it much smaller. And so this is exactly how I'm going to use that here with this laptop. I open it even a little bit more, and so I hang it just on top of the laptop screen, and you can see it still holds the screen in the right position. And now you can see how nicely it's illuminating here the laptop. No glare, no nothing. It's not blinding you, but giving really nice light here on the side, on the computer, keyboard, mouse, whatever you need. And now you can see here with just twisting here on the side, I can easily change the color temperature from super cold almost seamlessly to very warm, something which you want to use maybe during the night. And on the other side here, I can adjust the brightness. You can see, can make it really bright, so it can illuminate pretty much the whole desk, or just a little bit here, more or less in the center, keyboard, mouse, what you need. Yeah, absolutely amazing here. And of course you can do exactly same thing with pretty much every large monitor, even much easier of course. This situation here was more like the most extreme situation to show you that it also works for smaller screens or for small laptops where you have just a very small bezel around the screen, and it still works absolutely perfect. Also good to know that we have a built-in memory function, so whenever we turn off the light and turn it on again, it will go into exactly same brightness and same color temperature. And we can also see how nice the light is, very even, very comfortable, not flickering, no nothing, absolutely no problem I've seen so far. Yeah, looks absolutely amazing. And so I've installed it here on my curved 32 inches computer gaming monitor, and works also absolutely perfect. Maybe the only small disadvantage I've found here is regarding the brightness. You can see that here. Now I have it in the highest brightness, and now I'm reducing the brightness. You can see it's reducing the brightness, but it stops now, and it's still pretty bright. I mean, not super bright, but maybe still too much for some people during the night. I don't know, wouldn't be a problem for me, but maybe for some other people. I think one of the best computer lights I've ever seen, no doubt about that. Super fancy with this super easy control, memory function, everything what we need. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this light, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.